What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy Mac, and today I'm super excited because what we have here is the Apple Magic Keyboard for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Now, as you can see, well, I guess you can't see because the absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence, but I actually do not own a keyboard case for this. I can get it out. This iPad has just been in this spec case the entire time that I've owned it. I've owned it about 5 months. I love the thing, which is I guess why we're talking about accessories for it, and probably make more videos about my use case for it and stuff like that. Why I decided to get a keyboard, because I'm not like a crazy YouTuber or anything. Like, I'm not getting paid to do this. I actually got it for myself with my own money, so I'm going to tell you exactly why I chose to do that, and then we're going to do some fun comparisons with it. But anyways, yeah, so it was in this case this whole time, so it's about to enter a new life for itself. Now we'll set aside the iPad for now and see what comes in the package. Pull this tab to open. I love how they do this now. I'll show you exactly how to take it apart. So it's like, and there you have it. It's hefty. Even there's some weight to this. It's like, it's as heavy as iPad for sure, if not heavier. Set this aside for now. So, this is what comes in there. Little tab to open it up. Feels really nice. I have seen in other videos that this material does not last. Like I said, I don't have like the slim folio case or anything like that, which I think is made of the same material. But we'll see. It's already kind of leaving some fingerprints on it. But anyways, let's see what it's like. So I guess where this cardboard is where the iPad goes. It's got some resistance. Ooh, that feels nice and solid. That feels good. That feels solid. And in here, there's a bunch of stuff about it. I guess it's like how to get started with it. Apply it. And the keyboard. Now, I'm worried about the size, mainly because I have the 11-inch iPad, like I mentioned before, and I have been concerned that perhaps typing on it isn't going to be as easy, but let's try it out. So I think it's just as easy as popping it on. There's nothing to connect or cables or anything. Boom. We are literally already connected and everything works really smoothly and really well already. I gotta say, this makes it feel like the iPad is more immersive. I don't know what it is, but the floating is kind of closer to your face. It doesn't feel like it's a small iPad anymore. I feel like I can get some work done. We're gonna test out the typing experience now. This is really not that bad at all. is Apple's regular Magic Keyboard. Safety moment. Okay, we have the regular keyboard. It really has similar travel, if not the exact same travel. Ooh, that keyboard is smooth. It's fast. It invites you to write stuff. I don't have the 12 to compare, but I think the main difference is the width of the keys. Like, I noticed in some videos that the shift key is a little wider and the caps lock is wider and stuff like that. So these keys take up more space, and you have like more space with the option key. Like you can see here very clearly that the option keys are kind of small, especially on this right hand, it's small. But on a 12-inch iPad or 12.9 inch, sorry, it's a bigger profile. So it may be easier to find the keys that you are looking for. But this is obviously pretty great. Okay, so I've made some mistakes in that one, but it's a pretty nice writing experience. So far so good. The other thing that I wanted to compare it to, which I don't think a lot of YouTubers have so far, is this bad boy. So this actually satisfying close. This is like, it's heavy together. It's like this is a laptop, but not like, it's not gonna put me off. Like I can put this in my keyboard, in my backpack, go to work, come home, and be good for it. You know. I'm gonna sit like that for a second. I want to compare it to this because this was the original version, and some of you may have forgotten it, but I have not. And this is the Surface Pro, like the first one, and this was the keyboard that came with it. And this machine actually still works. It's crazy. Nice. So this, like as you can see here, this is a note, but it's very easy to make mistakes on this keyboard. There's some major differences, like even though this is like the first generation, there's absolutely no travel in these keys. There's no satisfying touch. It's like typing on the actual tablet itself. And this trackpad is actually comically small. If we compare it to the size of this new one, you can see that there's a massive size difference. Huge size difference between the two. This is gonna make it way more usable and much more of a viable option as a trackpad. But one thing that still surprises me, and it baffles my mind why Apple has not done this with this keyboard, is there's no function row. There's no escape key. Even in the first iteration, Microsoft got it right, and they got you the function key. They got you some volume options, which would have been nice. Play, stop, that would have been excellent. And also, well, they actually don't have it here, but brightness of the screen. That'd be cool. Or brightness of the keyboard. Plenty of options that they could have put in the function row keys, but they decided to opt against it. But I can kind of see it now that I have this in person. Those keys would be definitely underneath the iPad in that case, especially in this most forward position. I guess it's just like, I'm gonna type an essay position. You would not really be able to use them. But in this position, perhaps, like if it's on my lap, you'd be able to reach them. But maximum fold back, no way. Anyways, that has been my preliminary thoughts on the iPad Apple Magic Keyboard. I almost forgot there. I'll let you know what I think about it the more I use it. I'm gonna exclusively be typing on this keyboard and see what it's like and see if I'm making similar mistakes, I'm getting faster, or what that's all about. But I'm very excited about it. I'm also still excited that this is a thing that exists. I just noticed that on my notes I had passwords up, but rest assured, I'm gonna put a little block on that. Anyway, thank you for being here, guys. This has been my first review video on YouTube. Subscribe and join for more stuff like this, you know, and comment below if you guys already have this keyboard. Talk to me about it. Let me know what you think about it below. I really enjoyed it so far. Let me know if you have any questions specifically. One thing I'm super excited about is this pass-through. So you're gonna be able to use this other USB-C port however you wish. But this does add some width and some heft to the package. But I don't know, it makes me feel secure. This is, you know, the screen is protected for sure if anything was to fall or whatever. Because the slim folio, which I've seen in person, seems like it doesn't protect at all. And this guy was very protective. And I feel like the sides are not really protected anymore, but I'll let you know how that fares out as well in time. Thanks for being here, guys. See you in the next one.